Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth and make lips brighter on any photo using Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, you have to tap at this big plus sign to upload here a photo. It opens up your camera roll, and from here you can scroll down through all of your photos until you find one that you want to improve. Let it be that one. You can just check mark it and then hit on add to open up editor mode. So now on that mode you are able to edit this photo in any way that you want. The first, I recommend you to try to use one of these 4 magic retouch features. When you select one of them, it applies a bunch of different filters to your photo. So you can hit right now at reset to see the original photo, and then you can apply some filters to that photo. Once you did that, you can customize it in any way. You can scroll down and if you want to whiten your teeth, let me scale the picture, you can easily find right here teeth whitening feature. So let me first toggle this feature off, so now you can see the original teeth color, and I can now drag it right or left to find the color that I like. That's the maximum intensity of that effect, and now you can see how the result looks like. Also, you can scroll down until you find brighter lips feature, and in the same way you can drag it right or left to change brightness of the lips. I like that one. And after that you can go through all of these other different filters until you find some, and you can in any time control it in any way you want. Now, once you finished with that, you can hit right here at save button to save this image to your camera roll. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.